Alright, what's up guys? Got another video for you today. We're going to be working on the MT10. We are going to be putting a Fender Eliminator on. The factory Fender sits pretty far out, obviously, as you can see. We're going to bring it back to about right here, I believe. Going to go ahead and put this on today. And yeah. One that I have today is from Vagabond Motorsports. Theirs just looked the cleanest to me, to be honest with you. I don't really think you can go wrong with one depending on brand. They all more or less do the same thing. The only difference is whether you want to keep the factory turn signals or get aftermarket ones, and I wanted to keep the factory ones. So we went with this one. It's like $100 or something like that, I think. So we're going to start with taking off the factory one. So it looks like it's going to be some Allen keys. Some Phillips heads. And then there's some Allen key screws for this. And yeah. Okay, so I went ahead and took out the screws and stuff holding this on, but it's still held in by the cables. So we got to take the seat off, take these two screws out right here to remove the cowl piece for the tail light, and then there's going to be another screw in each corner as well as this one and this one to remove the factory side pieces to the tail, and then we'll go from there. We both think we bit off more than we can chew, I think. This is way more than I thought it was going to be completely honest. But then my lovely little wife is over here.
This is 70 bolts and butterfly screws that I have to do by hand.
She's building stuff for her garden, her little garden bed thing. So anyways, back to it. Okay, so you got to like feed all these cables through the rear end. This thing looks so sick with no tail on it. But anyway, yeah, this was a pain in the ass, and this is also huge for what it really is. So anyways, now we begin to take these lights out and assemble the new one, and then put it all back together. Shouldn't be too terrible. Okay, so this is the Vagabond Motorsports Fender Eliminator. Got our lights and stuff right here. The old one broke down, and the tailless bike. And now we're going to go ahead and start assembling our lights onto this. This should be much easier to actually like reassemble and put back on the bike. Okay, so this is what it looks like assembled. Much more simple, smaller design than the factory one. So we're going to go ahead and start reinstalling everything now. Alright. Took way longer than it should have. But yeah, got it done in a little over an hour. Man, tell me that doesn't look so much better than that factory one. Go ahead and turn it on real quick and see what it looks like. Okay, so the license plate light works. Let's go ahead and hit the left and the right. Nice. Quick little video. Just go ahead and put this one out there. That is like such a small thing that changes the look of the bike overall. That looks so much cleaner than the factory one. Alright, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet before. And Destiny, anything?
I finished my project too. I'm proud of myself.
It is really hot out here. Anyways, thanks guys. See ya. Bye.